I'm learning to trust these ups and downs. I fought with the world, I fought myself. I know the darkest night so well. Sometimes it's hard to see the light. So this is for the ones that tried and failed, travel to hell and back. We're never far from paradise. And I fear that I'm changing.